call up and we have that conversation with them initially, we don't just go down the list of survey questions. We don't say, hey, I have a bunch of questions that I need you to answer. We don't do that. We don't create obstacles for ourselves in the call. We help the client understand, listen, if you have instability in cash flow, if you're looking to expand, if you have an excess of negative days or overdraws, or your credit's not where it should be, or you got a daily payment or a weekly payment and you don't want that, you want the monthly payment or whatever it is, let's find out why. Let's put you in a better position moving into the future so that this year, unlike last year, you're going to get better terms and rates. Your cash flow is going to be more stable. You're going to expand to get that second location. You're going to be able to extend your warehousing and therefore your inventory so you can stock the shelves more often. Right? You can take advantage of what's going on in the marketplace. If you're a pharmacy, right? You can take advantage of what's going on post-COVID-19. Now is the time to expand. I can make it so you're one of those pharmacies that really stand out. This can be that road to the next level for you. And I'm going to fuel your growth with a capital injection. Right? You've got to find ways to tie their needs to their aspirations and help them realize that you can do that for them. If it's a real estate investor, right? How many exits did you have in the last year or two? Right? What have you been doing? Have you just been doing fix and flips? Are you looking to do any buy and holds? Are you interested in the commercial space? Are you putting together a portfolio? What are your goals long term? How can I assist you in that process? You had 3 exits last year. What can we do to get you 6 exits this year? Right? There's, you had some issues. You've had difficulty procuring the property. Or when you find the property you're looking for, you have difficulty with the lender and getting the loan you need or the rate you need. Or let's find out why. Let's put you in a better position to succeed. That's a conversation worth having because that's what keeps them up at night. That's what keeps them their stress level high, right? And so if you can come in as a relief to that, they're listening. But if you just come in and you're just slowing them down from their daily routine, hey, listen, do you need money? I have the best money. Nobody's but money's as good as mine. I'm just going to advertise to you really quick about why you should buy my product. They don't want to hear that. They don't want to be bothered. It's like standing on the side of the street and trying to hand them a flyer. They don't want to carry around your piece of paper. They're not interested. They're trying to get from point A to point B without you bothering them. What's the value? Why should they talk to you? What can you do for them, not just for their needs, but for their aspirations? How can you help them obtain the future they're looking for? That is where you're going to get them. So consider, are you putting this kind of thought into your sales process, into your calls, into your messages, your conversations, right? A lot of the times, our newer brokers get caught in the details of the products, right? You get more focused in on that. Oh, what are our rates and how does this work in this particular circumstance? Or how does it work with this type of property or this type of loan or whatever? And you're so focused in on that. But even if you answer the client's questions and you help them understand with their hypothetical based on whatever the pricing model is, how it will work, that's not enough for them to want to work with you. You're just educating them for free.